everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Face, and guys, go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink, because I am sharing with you today part 2 of my Christmas home tour. But guys, today is also my birthday, and look what was delivered to me this morning by a beautiful friend of mine. So guys, I've got my flowers, I've gotten my coffee, and I want to say welcome to all of you. If it's your first time, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, I say thank you. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, from my home to yours. Now, I hope you're in a cozy spot. Go ahead and grab that coffee, whatever it is. Warm up, because it's cold outside to me. And in 2022, as I share with you different spaces in my home. Now, if you have not seen part 1, I'm going to include it in the iCards above. So all be blessed and take care. And until the next video, I'm your So we're here in my the master bedroom or bedroom, and this is my husband's tree. He loves this tree, you guys. He makes sure that this tree is on every single night. He has even left it on during the day. This is his tree. This is the peacock theme that I chose to continue from last year. Was the theme for the house, but I decided to just add it into our bedroom this year. It's just so beautiful. So this is his tree. This is his thing. He's loving this peacock themed tree, and I hope you guys will too. So continue to watch as I continue. As we come from the bedroom, I will bring you through the dining room over into the family room, and this will be it for the home tour for 2022. We are now in my family room, and I'm going to share with you how I put my coffee table together for this holiday season. So the next clip you will see the coffee table, and then you may see something one might say a little wondering why. Gigi, did you leave this on your coffee table? But it's the game Jenga. My husband and I have been playing, and we started, I think, on Monday. Today is Thursday, my birthday. Yeah, my birthday today. But we started on Monday, and it's his turn to pull. So he's been thinking about where to go and which one to pull, and you'll see a few sticking out. I was not sure if I could play this game, guys, but I have been really good at this. So this is part of our Christmas decor. You will see our game still here on the table. So if you've made it this far, we are in the family room. I'm going to share with you the masterpiece, which is the beautiful tree that I have over, as you see, my fireplace mantle. If you haven't seen that video, then I will link that one also in the iCard. So you can just click on my link for the season of my holiday season videos for this year. But I'm so excited, you guys. So you will see we're in the family room, so you're gonna see me put the coffee table together. You're gonna see the little sore eye, or the eyesore that's here on the table, and then you will get to view the rest of the room. So guys, again, if you've been here and you are new and you want to be a part of this family, just hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you'll always be notified of any and all up and coming videos. And for those of you that continue to show me so much love and support, I give you a great big virtual hug, and I tell you thank you. Be blessed and take care, and continue to enjoy the rest of my home tour to music.